All right, let's jump back to our CSS code. And again, we're going through these properties here to figure out if there's any that we want to apply to every other typographical element. So we skipped font size. What about color? At this point, we have two colors for fonts. Let's do a quick search so we can highlight them. So we have white in a couple of places. We have this E6, 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 which, as we know from before, is some form of gray because the two-character code repeats itself 3 times. We have this gray here, and we have this gray. And as we scroll down, we'll see this 6D one being used several times. And then there's one instance of a different gray color for the snippet title. Now the hexadecimal value is a little bit off, but that was because of a little quirk with Photoshop when we copied the hexadecimal value. It really should be gray. Now if we go to our mockup and we scroll up to our snippet title, and let's zoom in to see it a little bit more clearly. To me, it looks like this gray is very similar to this gray and the gray used in the text. I know from experience that sometimes designers are picking colors in Photoshop by eyeballing it or by using the color picker tool. And sometimes they'll end up with slight variations of a color, even though they really intended it to be the same. So what I'm going to assume here is that the intention is to use the same gray throughout. That will make the design more visually cohesive, and it will also make it easier for us to maintain from the front-end developer perspective down the road. So let's switch that gray color over. I'm going to go back to our editor,